welcome to Granny's Crochet. This video is for beginners how to make triple crochet. For this you can use any yarn of any color you like or you have. And crochet hook of 5mm size or any size you have or you like. Yarn knitter for hiding the tails in the end and a pair of scissors. We'll start with slip knot. Cross the yarn and make the slip knot like this. Insert your hook in this loop and pull both strands tightly. We'll start with chain 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and then 11. Now we'll work in the second chain from the hook. So yarn over twice. You will have 3 loops on your hook. Insert your hook in second chain from the hook and grab the yarn. You will have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You will have 3 loops. Now yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Now you will have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. So this is the first triple crochet. Now yarn over twice again and insert your hook in the next chain. Grab the yarn. You will have 4 loops. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through next 2 loops. You will have last 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. So this is our next triple crochet. Yarn over twice again, insert your hook in the next chain, grab the yarn. You will have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through first and then yarn over, pull through next 2 and then yarn over, pull through last 2. Repeat this all over until you reach the end. So this is my last triple crochet. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops and then yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. Chain 1 in the end. Turn the work. Now yarn over twice. Insert your hook in the first triple crochet. Like this, grab the yarn. You will have 4 loops. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. And then yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. So this is new round for triple crochet. Insert your hook in the next triple crochet. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Pull through last 2 loops. Repeat this all over until you reach the end. So this is my last triple crochet for this round. Yarn over, pull through first, next and then last. Chain 1 in the end. Make as many rounds as you want and in the end of every round make chain 1. I have made 5 rounds. Chain 1 in the end and cut the yarn. Pull this strand Now for hiding these tails, you can use yarn needle. Just go inside and outside of every stitch around to hide and secure this tail. Do the same with the other end. Just go in and out like this. And pull the yarn needle like this. Cut the excess part and stretch the project a bit. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video.